How to wrap text in Google Sheets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text in Google Sheets. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open web browser on your PC and from there simply open the Google Sheets. And here you can start on the blank page, but I have saved the project, so I'm gonna simply open it. And here, once inside, if you want to wrap text in this Google Sheet, first you need to highlight the cell that contain the text, and after that you can simply go to the top menu and click on format, and after that a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply hover over to the text wrapping and simply select wrap. And now you will see that the cells automatically expand in height, allowing all the text to be visible. And that's it. That's how you can wrap text in Google Sheets. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.